where did he come from? And that's the thing, I cannot see what's going on. Maybe it just takes some eye adjustment. I guess. I don't even really know. There it is. And so technically Venus is right there too, but, well no, actually the other direction, but she's out. We just cannot fully see her. Okay, so we did get that one up. This one, I like started to, sorry crap, where are we at? Started to wonder, was it asphalt? I honestly God cannot tell, because tell me that doesn't look like a short fuse. Sort of, right? But I don't know, it'll be here when I come back, I guess. But like, what is that about? I'm not sure. Those look like shells. Well, it's acorn bullshit, honestly. You can't say we never tried. It almost looks like there's a lily popping up, but I'm not walking down there to find out. See, I don't even think we're all that zoomed in. This is what I'm saying. All I see right here, right now, is a little blue Orby dot. So I assume the sun is in the picture, but yeah, there it is, I guess. Yeah, it's there. And that is an actual tooth, okay? Actual quartz. I hear a crazy bird coming. And that one I need to bust open because it's definitely hollow, you can tell. And I'm not sure what's on him, but damn, he was fast. That must have been a hawk. I chirped once and they chirped all crazy. I don't know who those really chatty ones are. Cock, 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 cock. But they're all been like teary too. They're just so little, I call them butterfly birds. Because they kind of like are. Surprised that I am just seeing that. Well, not really. Oh, really? You said meow, meow, meow. You sounded all on your period or something. Meow, meow, meow. Are you the one always talking to me? Meow, meow, meow. I feel like they got good hearing with their magneto brains.